Hello, welcome. For this week's Thursday's cooking, I'm actually going to look at herbs and what we can get from the garden. Here I come out with my beautiful basket that I picked up from the street. These beautiful purple flowers here. I'm going to pick some of them. I don't need much. I'm just going to put 4, and they grow very easy anywhere at all. And Tom can tell you what they are. They're beautiful, very sweet.
Borage.
Borage. And this one here, we have got this beautiful purple at the back, green at the front, and Tom will tell you what they are.
Apparently I'm the botany expert today. That's perilla.
Perilla.
Southeast Asian herb.
So
It's got a delightful fragrance.
Smells really beautiful. You can actually see I love picking herbs. And if you look closely, you can actually see the babies actually coming up. The more you pick them, you give them the room for the new baby to come up. So the more you pick, just like mint, the better it is. Another thing I would like to say, cooking is not just cooking, it's connecting, it's thing beyond cooking. Because you don't look at this little tiny pot. People said, oh, I don't have a garden, I cannot grow. Just look at this tiny little pot. How many things that is actually growing out of here. This is parsley that has gone to flowers. I also will use those one as well. It is purple beautiful flowers here. They're also edible as well. So I also will pick them, and I will also use them in our cooking. Picking flower is just so beautiful. Picking plants of fruit from your garden, it's a blessing. That we call goji berry. This is actually the red dandelion. They're very good in salad, and they just grow everywhere. So I've been coming and cutting. You can see the snail loves it. You don't need that much. Just get rid of the dry one, and that's all you need for 2 people. I love dill. Yeah, they're very beautiful. You can see how they grow. They grow just beautifully. Look at the 2 different colors. I really love them. They have beautiful fragrance as well. What I'm actually going to do, I don't need much. I just need that much. You can actually see the spring onion here. They're not much at all, but they're enough to use. All I need is that one and that one. This is actually, let me just tell you, this bed is taken from one of the community garden in Palamara. We bought them here, and then we actually restructure them again in here. This Thursday, what we're going to do in our cooking is I'm going to show you how to cook with the spinach, which is very easy, very simple, very tasty.